friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you this mouth-watering lobster recipe. The gravy of this lobster masala recipe is so smooth and the lobsters also turn out very juicy and soft. You can enjoy it as one of your appetizers or also with some chapati or rice. Simply squeeze a dash of lemon and enjoy. Let's look at how to make this lobster masala recipe. In your mixer grinder, take 1 whole garlic, half an inch of ginger, some coriander, and we are going to make a coarse paste of all three. You can add little water if needed. So just I'm inching this and I want a coarse paste. Here it's ready. We are not necessarily use the whole paste, just few spoons. Here I have taken 4 big lobsters. These are about a pound or so. Nice big lobsters, almost the size of my palm. You can wash them thoroughly. Look at those. They are pretty clean. I'm going to air fry these on either side for 2 to 3 minutes. This is optional, since these are pretty thick, I wanted to air fry them so that it takes less time to cook when I cook them on the gas top. But it's really up to you. It also adds a good flavor, I feel. So just turn these around and cook on the other side for another 3 to 5 minutes. I'm just using my bare hands since these are not, really very hot. These look good, they are done. Let's keep them on the side. In your cast iron skillet, add some oil. As the oil gets hot, add hing. Some curry leaves adds an amazing flavor. And here I have taken 1.5 cups of onions. I have just, roughly chopped them vertically. Fry the onions on a medium to medium high flame until they get nice golden color like this. Look at that, they are caramelized well. Now I'm going to add about 3 teaspoons of our freshly made ginger, garlic and coriander paste. Fry it for a minute or so that all the raw flavors are cooked well. Now we'll start adding our masalas. So we'll add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of store-bought Kori masala, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and salt to taste. Fry all the masalas really well. Make sure that your gas is on the lowest so that the masalas don't burn. Now let's drop our air-fried lobsters. Just place like this. Cover and let them cook on one side for 2 to 3 minutes. Let's open and check. Let's flip each of these lobsters. I'm going to, add that caramelized onion on top. As they start cooking, they are going to start, shrinking a bit. Open after about 2 to 3 minutes and now we'll add some water, about a cup or so. Just give it a good mix. The flame is on the medium. Cover and let them cook for 7 to 8 minutes after adding water. Look at that. A little bit of fat is also coming out on the sides of these lobsters and they are, cooking really well. Let's add all that masala. Look at that. Again, cover and cook on the other side for another 7 to 8 minutes. You can add water as needed if you feel, it's becoming too dry. We want the lobsters to cook really well. The lobster now is really cooked well. The masala is also dry enough. I'm simply going to add some coriander and switch off the flame. These are ready to be served. To add that extra flavor, here I'm going to heat up some coal to get that smoky flavor and add a little bit of coconut oil on top. Cover it and let all those flavors sink in. Open after about 10 minutes or so. Simply yummy. Remove the coal and serve it hot. You can enjoy this lobster masala as is, or even with a side of some white rice, or even with some roti or chapati. The masala is simply awesome. And since we cooked it in the cast iron skillet, it added that extra flavor. Top it off with some coriander and a dash of lemon. Amazing. Hope you have enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.